Wanna know how to print each words in a sentence in uppercase using Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to break this code down and explain it to you under a minute on how it's done. So, we have started a sentence by creating a string sentence that is Java is fun to learn. So our goal is to take each word, and that is Java is fun and etc., and then convert them to uppercase, then print them one per line. So we split the sentence into individual words using split. So we have used string words, and then we split sentence into like different words right here by using this white space. And once that is done, we loop through each word using simple for each loop. So we have used this for each loop right here. And inside the loop, we use the toUpperCase method, so which is built into Java and changes any lowercase letter to uppercase automatically. Finally, we print each uppercase word into a new line using system.out.println. So right here you can see it has been printed into word uppercase. Now you can just simply run it to see the results, and it should be something like this: Java is fun to learn. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.